Hello everybody. This unboxing I actually wasn't going to do, but then I decided the people that haven't seen it, because this has been out for a little while now, I decided I better show it for people who have not seen it, and that is Singin' in the Rain. It's the 60th anniversary box set, Blu-ray and DVD Ultimate Collector's Edition. It is limited and numbered. As you can see right there, I have 3372, I believe. Yes, 3,372 out of 75,000. Yes. You can see little raindrops all over. That is on the plastic slip cover that I will take off in a few moments. There's nothing on the sides, but on the back it shows you everything you get, including an actual umbrella. There's all the specifications. And I actually got this decently priced. I did pre-order somewhere at actually at Movie Stop, and then I saw that no stores were getting this. It was only basically online or Movie Stop had them if you pre-ordered. But everywhere online, I actually saw they were $75, and I kind of got worried because I wasn't going to pay $75 for this. Thankfully, my Movie Stop, if you pre-ordered, it was only $60. So I could kind of justify that over $75. If it was $75, I wasn't going to get it. But here it is again with the plastic off. You can actually see, I hope, yes, you can actually see little umbrellas on the box. I'll try to get that better. And the other side. And then the raindrops again on the front. And then the back. Once again, the slip cover just slides off. Like that. And then here is the front of the box one more time, and you can see those umbrellas now. And then the back, which you could not see before. I don't know if... Yeah, there's no umbrellas on the back of this. Just on the sides. Which I don't guess. And then the front, you can definitely see them a lot better. On the sticker as well. Top of the box just slides off. Like that. And then you get a little pull tab here for the book. And we dropped everything else. But here is the front of the book. And then the back of the book, and the back of the book actually has those umbrellas on there once again. There you go, you can see them. And on the front page of the book, once again, if I can get it to show right there, it has the umbrellas once again. Front 2 pages of the book. Show you this side first. pictures, and then a little bit of dialogue text. And each on the side there, it just says Singin In The Rain 60th anniversary. And then on the umbrella is actually the page number of the book. So that's kind of a nice touch. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show, or if I'm going to show all of this. Another page. I don't think I'm going to show all the book. It's basically, you know, here's a nice page, and this is one of the last pages I'll show. I think I'll show one more. Here, I'll show one more here. But it is a really nice book. If this edition, I believe it will go down, since I don't think a lot of people are buying these for $75. I believe this is going to go down. As I said before, if my movie stop would have not had this cheaper, I would have not picked this up. The next thing you get is this envelope, and it says a reproduction of the original 1952 theater display posters. And on the back, there we go. That's what they look like when they're together. But I will take them out. They actually are in order. So that's the first one. And on the back it just says the Warner Brothers. It's not double-sided or anything. Try to put these together. There you go. Do it like that. And then the last one, which hopefully I can do this. Here's two of them. This is going to be hard. Put the first one down. Okay, and then I think I'm going to be able to do it for you. There you go. There you go. Did it. Maybe not the best, but I did it. Put these back in here. That was the only thing in the envelope, by the way. Put this back in here. Next thing I'll show you is one of the cool things, and the reason, actually this has some weight, and the reason I actually kind of really wanted this, you actually get a Singin In The Rain umbrella, which is awesome. And this is actually pretty heavy. It's not low quality at all. That slides off, and then you have this little slip. And when you take it off, you get this. And I'm going to try to get the full effect for you here. There is, ow, that actually hurt. One second, my little umbrella charm is stuck. One second, didn't plan on this. Maybe it will come loose after I push the button. There's a push button right here that does it. So hold on a second. There we go, and the charm did come loose after I hit that. This is actually a pretty large umbrella, as you can see. I did not think it was going to be this big. And as you can see, right there, it does say Singin' in the Rain. And over here, it says 60th anniversary. And then there has some umbrellas and the sun there. So let's bring this down a little bit and close it. I definitely did not expect that to be as big as it was. So let me come back to you guys here. We'll continue. There we go. Put the little slip. Hopefully the little slip fits. Back. I may have to. Do this the correct way. Really, really tight. Yeah, if you don't do this really, really tight, it will not fit back into where it's supposed to. There we go. Make sure not to hit that button again. But here, and there's your umbrella charm right here, which is pretty cool. See if I can get this back into where I'm supposed to rather quickly. Sorry for the delay, guys, but I really want to put this back up. I think I've almost got it. I do. Okay, and then we'll put this on, which this will not be a problem. Oops, I dropped it. I didn't think it was going to be a problem, but I dropped it. Hang on a second. There we go. Got it back in there. So that is a really nice addition that they included, and it looks great. And finally, the last thing in this is the actual discs themselves. There's the front, the side, and the back. Once again, it does have the red umbrella. And it does have those umbrellas again around it. Open it up. You do get a picture of the main characters. And then you open it up, you get pictures around it. And you get 2 DVDs, one for the feature film and one for special features, and 1 Blu-ray. And I will take the discs out and show you the artwork behind them. One wasn't in there very well, but it's a DVD. I can fix it if it's broken, but it looks great. So, and there's the back art. we go. See if I can get this back in here. Yes. The lobby cards and the book. Okay, yeah. Sorry for the long unboxing. It didn't go quite as smoothly as I wanted it to. This is why I do not edit. So you guys can see exactly what you guys may go through if you do this. But this is a phenomenal box set. I'm not even, popped in, as you can tell. I haven't even popped in the discs yet, and the box set was so well done. Little smudge. The box set was so well done and thought out that this is one of the best box sets I own. I do own the I do own the Wizard of Oz box set, and that was really well done. I own a couple more, but this one was really done, and this is the first one I've ever seen with a pretty much a full-size umbrella that you could use. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you're thinking about this, please, if it's $75 where you're planning on looking, please wait till it goes on sale. I mean, I don't think really any box set itself is worth $75, but it's up to you. But I did pay $59.99 for that, and $59.99, it's an amazing deal. But thank you for watching this unboxing. I hope to see you guys for my next one next week. Next Tuesday or Wednesday should be my next one. Thank you for watching.